2023 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. With less than 37,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. You'll look forward to your commute every day with features such as side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, navigation, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, wood grain trim, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat. Ready to take home the car of your dreams?